Once again, welcome back to Bitcoin World Crypto channel. This is my second video on Bitcoin Bit. In the first part of the video, we knew about its main function. Bitcoin Bit is an issuance token, not a mining token. Its token symbol is BCB and the network is Bitcoin network. In this part of the video, we are going to read its white paper. This is the first chapter of Bitcoin Bit. Bitcoin Bit is a next generation digital asset designed by inheriting the philosophical foundation of Bitcoin while combining advanced and modern blockchain technology with a sustainable structure. It adopts a proof of stake POS mechanism instead of traditional proof of work POW to overcome structural inefficiencies and environmental issues. The PO method relies on competitive mining using high performance computing equipment, which leads to massive power consumption and hardware centralization, ultimately limiting the democratic and accessible nature of block generation. Bitcoin Bit operates on a POS based model where validators are settled and rewarded based on their token holding and participation duration. This minimizes energy consumption and creates an ecosystem where anyone can easily participate in network operation. And in the second chapter of POWF versus POS technology comparison, you can read proof of work is the original consensus mechanism for blockchain using computational power to create new blockchain. Bitcoin, which use the SHA-256 hashing algorithm, is a prime example. Blocks are generated through competitive mining. Block creation, repeated calculation competition to find a hash that meets the required difficulty. Resources consumption, use of right performance GPU ASIC equipment lead to massive power consumption, tens to hundreds of kWh power per block. Security protection against 51% attacks and double spending. You can also visit and can read about this project in full detail if you are interested to read about Bitcoin Bit. There are different kind of chapters for its detail. Chapter 4 is going on, and this is chapter 5, smart contract and scalability. Bitcoin Bit support full EVM Ethereum virtual machine compatibility, enabling seamless deployment and migration of Ethereum based dApps and digital assets built on Solidity. It offers a developer friendly environment with broad interoperability. Full support for ERC20, ERC720 NFTs, and ERC115 multi asset token standard, facilitating issuance, transfer, and marketplace integration. And this is chapter 6, advanced token economy. The cost of Bitcoin Bit BCB token is utility based digital asset tied to governance and ecosystem operations. Total supply is 21 million as like Bitcoin. And this is chapter 7, decentralization governance structure. Chapter 8, development roadmap technology focus. Chapter 9, network security and economic model. And chapter 10, global strategy and sustainability. Chapter 11, Bitcoin Bit digital gold, philosophical continuity with Bitcoin. And this is the category of gold versus Bitcoin Bit. Category supply cap, gold Bitcoin BTC 21 million, Bitcoin BCB 21 million. And this is the conclusion of the white paper. So I hope you like this white paper and its detail about Bitcoin Bit project. So this is the end of the review. Thank you for watching.